I'm just showing you guys what a regular life looks like here in China. Nothing glamorous or special, just the daily activities. This is the hotel I've been staying at. It's very nice and chill in here. They have a fully stacked bar to the left with alcohol and draft beer. They also have a cafe down here and several lounges with live music in the evenings. This is the view from my room for the front of the neighborhood behind the hotel. I'll show you guys around my room and the pricing details a little bit later. But first I'm gonna walk you around the neighborhood here. As you walk through the lobby, they set up a lot of these viewpoints where you can just kind of go out on the balcony and chill and enjoy the view. So let's go outside. Once you first come outside and you head to the left, there's a good sized mall right here. You'll see some restaurants outside. And then once you step inside, it's not like a major mall, but they have a bunch of local restaurants. They have like Western restaurants like McDonald's, Burger King, and some coffee shops. And on the second floor, they have a bunch of shopping, clothing stores like that. But if you head downstairs, they have a large grocery store. So you can get everything you need down here. And if you come out and you head to the right, there's a liquor store right next door. Unfortunately, they have everything but tequila here, which I have found is not very popular here in Asia. And next door, there's a trusty Family Mart, but it's kind of a smaller store. It's nothing special, but just your basic items. And if you cross the street here, there's a lot of little restaurants and some more convenience stores.
This is Jack. Yeah.
Since they don't have tequila, I'm just gonna grab some whiskey. I'm meeting with my friend and her cousins later. And this is a very walkable neighborhood. I keep going down this street, you're gonna find a lot of restaurants, apartment complexes, and a lot of 24-hour bars and small little nightclubs. If you keep going a little bit, you run into the school, and they call this little part the street park. It's a nice little green space next to the apartments. And you keep walking about 10 minutes more and you end up in the back of SeaWorld. You'll see this massive French luxury liner from 1962. SeaWorld is a popular hangout spot here in Shenzhen. It's a massive pedestrian area with a ton of bars, restaurants, little concerts, a lot of things to do here at night, because that's when it really comes alive.
Hold this for me? Yeah. So, are you working here in Shenzhen?
No, I'm just visiting. I live in Vietnam.
Oh, Vietnam.
I ran into some local TikTokers, and they just wanted to do a little street interview about Shenzhen and business in China. I'm gonna take you back nearby the hotel. There's a lot of restaurants here that are very busy in the morning. That green cafeteria style restaurant stays busy throughout the day. But I'm in the mood for some noodles, so let me duck into here. And noodle restaurants here in China usually have a self-serve station with a lot of different spices and herbs. And I ordered the beef brisket noodle with tripe and intestines, and it's absolutely delicious. Now let's go back to the hotel so I can show you around the room. It's not a very big room at all, because when I travel, I use rooms just to sleep. I'm pretty much outside all day. I paid $117 a night, and something crazy happened here that wouldn't happen anywhere else in the world. I booked 2 rooms by accident when I only needed 1. And about 4 days into my trip, reception messaged me and said you never checked into your other room. I told her that it was a mistake, and I was just about to charge it to the game because that's my fault, my mistake. But she told me to come down to reception and she'll give me a refund to my Alipay, even for the nights that I've already missed. So yeah, the great hotel is top notch. The Digital Nomad 6-Figure Income School teaches you how to create a living with faceless content. Where together, we created a channel from scratch and built it up to over $8,000 in monthly income in less than 6 months at povdigitalnomad.com.